What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Chasing Limits. So today's video, we're gonna do some cleaning, some fall cleaning. Now, as you guys are aware, from the Quadrifoglio model, we have this active Aero front lip spoiler made of carbon fiber. And because it's fall season, there's a lot of leaves and other debris that can get trapped under there. So I'm gonna show you a simple way of how to bring it down by removing 2 bolts underneath. And that lets you great access to do some cleaning. So all we need to do to drop it down is this ratchet with a 13mm socket on the end. You basically do not need to lift up the car depending how low you are. I am sitting on the ST springs, so it gives me enough clearance to remove the bolts and drop down this front lip spoiler. So let's get to it. All right, so we get underneath here, find your bolts. So there's one right here. Put your socket on it and start twisting. So I'm not sure if this makes a difference or not, but I usually have the key fob away from the car. So right now it's inside the house. So there's the nut right there. Then we go to the other side. Do the same thing. There's the other nut. So now we're ready to drop it down. Let's see. Well, there we go. It's that simple. All right, so now that we have it dropped, take a peek inside here. There's some leaf, dirt, dust, you name it. So yeah, looks like it's due for a good cleaning. So for that, we're just gonna use some soapy water, wipe it down, and then just protect it with some wax. All right, guys, so we're gonna spray this stuff that I already have in the bottle pre-mixed. And then wipe it down with this cloth. And while we do that, I'm gonna put up on the screen from the Giulia training manual some key facts, since we're talking about front spoilers and aerodynamics, such as this whole thing only weighs at 2.28 kilograms. I don't know if that's good, but it sounds pretty impressive. There's nothing really else you can compare it to, since this is the only sedan with an active front spoiler. But yeah, to give it a good wipe. And if you guys do need a copy, I do have a hard copy of this manual, but I can always send it via email if you guys leave it in the comments below. I can email the PDF version of it. If you guys are interested, I'll put up some screenshots so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, and if you're interested. All right, so now that we wiped it down, we're gonna use this wax, Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Detailer. So it's just for some protection, makes it easier to wipe the to wipe the debris off next time. So just like that, makes the airflow smoother as well around. If you really want to get technical with the physics behind it, less air resistance. So yeah, that's it for that. So here we go. She's all cleaned up, ready to be bolted in. Looks a lot better, much more cleaner, shinier, and less chance of getting a coat. Mind you, I never had a coat come up for this splitter. Always worked for me. I know some of you guys had issues, had your sensors or motors replaced, but yeah, still original, everything still works just perfectly. Now that it's all bolted up, some info on how this actually works or when it works. So as per training manual, it operates when the vehicle travels at over 100 kilometers an hour, all the way up to 230 kilometers an hour, at which point it retracts again. But the car must be in either dynamic or race mode for it to actually function. So if you have it in any other mode, such as advanced efficiency or normal, and you still travel at high speeds, it will not function. Well, now it's all bolted up. And for these nuts here, I use this anti-seize stuff just to prevent any rust or corrosion. And it makes them be taken off easier for next time. So yeah, here it is. We have a little bit of not sure what that is, dirt or something. But yeah, pretty much the underside is very clean considering I am lowered on the ST springs. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. As I said, it's a very simple DIY. There are some tuners out there, I believe Squadra, which lets you do this electronically, lowers the air splitter down. But this is the easier, most cost-effective way. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Give it a quick clean, and it's gonna work properly for many more miles. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.